Hello everyone, welcome back. iPhone user could not be able to share photos and videos from photo app to Facebook app, or they cannot upload a photo from Facebook. Camera roll open but it only shows few pictures. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution number 1. Select all photos for Facebook. To select that, launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on Facebook. Under Facebook, tap on photos and make sure that all photos are selected. You can also check it under privacy settings. Go back to settings. Now tap privacy. Under privacy, tap on photos. Select Facebook and make sure that all photos are selected. Solution number 2. Check screen time settings. To check that, first we have to go to settings, find and tap on screen time. Now tap content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restrictions, tap on photos and make sure that allow changes is selected and tap Facebook and also check all photos are selected. Now we go for solution number 3, reset network settings. To reset network settings, first launch settings, then tap general, and under general tap on reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4, check update for Facebook. To check that, tap and hold App Store and tap updates. Now check the list if there is update available for Facebook. If there is, then we have to tap on update. Solution number 5, check the latest version of iOS. To check that, go to settings, tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 6, reset all settings. For that, go to settings, tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. And also check this method. Delete the Facebook app and reinstall it. Tap and hold Facebook, tap remove app. After removing the app, go back to App Store and re-download Facebook app. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.